am Debbie and welcome to my channel, Southern Delight. I am so glad that you tuned in today. As you can see, I am getting ready for Valentine's Day. I know I have been downloading several videos on some arrangements that I'm doing. I just got through with some Winterfest videos. Well, today what I've been working on, my project, is melt and pour soaps. And I just wanted to share with you, well, first off, I'd like to start off by showing you this haul that I just got from Walmart. I was out doing my weekend shopping, like I always do. I go grocery shopping on the weekends, try to get all the groceries for the week. And while I was in there, I stopped by their little bakery section. They have a gift section with all their Valentine's Day stuff, but then they have like a little baker's section in there. Well, I want to share with you some of the finds that I picked up today for under $10, and I'm going to be using these in my crafts that I'm doing with the melt and pour soaps, because I'm going to show you some of the projects I've already completed, and I just want to share this haul with you. So we'll go ahead and get started. They have these little silicone molds, and a lot of people use these to make cupcakes and little cakes with for Valentine's Day. Well, I use these for my melt and pour soaps. These are like $1.47, and they're really inexpensive. But a lot of times I found out when I'm needing different molds and shapes for my soaps that these silicone shapes work wonderfully, because once you put them in there and they start to harden, the silicone makes it really easy for it to just pop out. But I picked up 2 of those. I also found this where we could do little bitty soaps. I thought that was really precious. And of course this one I think was like a $3.47 item. It's got a bunch of the little hearts, and these are all the same. These are all the silicone. Then I happened to pick up some of the cupcake forms here, and they were really cute because they had like the little heart-shaped picks in them and the little XO picks and all. But I could do so many cute little projects with these for Valentine's Day. And then of course these aren't the silicone shape, but what's so unique about these is, well, it spells out the word love, of course, but when they harden in there, you can just push these through because they're not solid on the back. So they make really wonderful molds as well. But I thought I'd just share that with you. Oh, got some more. These are some little treat boxes that I picked up, and usually you're putting candy in these treat boxes. Well, not me. I'm going to put the melt and pour soaps that I do from here in the little treat boxes. Take and add some tissue, put the little soaps in there. They make wonderful little Valentine's Day gifts. Beginner's Soap Making Kit 101 kit. If you're new to soap making, I would advise picking up one of these kits. You can find these at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Directions are in here. Everything you need to do some little soap molds and so forth are in here. And then once you go ahead and you try this technique, they also carry in their soap making oil. You can start getting and blending and mixing and creating different color dyes and stuff that you can start making, using to make your own soaps. Different scents and so forth you can pick up down that aisle. And a lot of times, this right here, they sell the large packages of the glycerin soaps. And you just color them and send them the way that you would like. And then this is also and this soap right here is a double butter soap, and it's enriched with mango and shea butter, which these make wonderful soap bars here. And you can just add some color to those and they're good to go. Let me give you a really quick tutorial on how to mix this Morton melt and pour soap. I'm using the double butter soap here that has the shea butter and mango in it. I'm going to use my little mold that I just picked up from Walmart there. What I did was I cut off, there's probably about 2 of the little square pieces there. I'm going to put them here in my bowl, and I'm going to put this in the microwave in 30-second intervals. Once I get that all melted, I'm going to add some soap fragrance here in apple, and then I'm going to use some of this red dye to go in it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pour it in this little mold here and make our soaps up. And then once we get it laid in there, while they're cooling, we'll spray some alcohol over the top of it. I just put some alcohol in this little spray bottle like this right here. That way it keeps the air bubbles out of it. Alright, as you can see, the soap's all melted here. Now we're going to take and put some of the fragrance in it. Going to add a couple of drops here. Stir that in. take some of the color here. Add a few drops of the red to this. Stir that all in. Smells wonderful. Giving us that hot pink color. I think I want to go with hot pink. I like the hot pink color. And what I'll do, we'll just take this and then pour it in the mold. Come over here. Start pouring it in the molds. And there you have them. These cute little soap hearts. Just pop right out, and there you have them. Just pop them all out, and I got these cute little bags. I'm going to show you how I'm going to assemble them. But they make cute little Valentine's Day gifts. Just want to show you some of the ideas that I've already done. This is one of the molds that I actually picked up from Michael's, and as you can see, they already have like the cupcake molds in here. A lot of people use these for chocolate making and so forth. Well, I'm using this again for the melt and pour soaps. And it's going to look something like this. Like this one I used, smells like I used some rose scent and some pink coloring in this, and it came out to look like this. And then on the top portion, came out to look like something like this right here. So I just switched it all out, used different colors. This I got purple and pink. And then this right here, I used two different kinds of soap. This one actually had some of the glycerin soap for this. And I poured in the top portions and made cute little cupcakes. And then I just went a little further. And I picked up these cute little scrunchies. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. You can buy these Walmart, just about anywhere. And I took these, and then using the same mold, I had poured in some melt and pour soap in here, let it harden, and I made cute little cupcakes that look like this. And then for Valentine's Day, I went and bought some little Valentine's Day cards like this, punched a hole in it, and I put it there. And these make wonderful little teacher gifts. These, you can extend this project out beyond Valentine's Day, and you can actually use this for birthday parties or giveaways or anything like that. They make wonderful little gift ideas. This video, if you'll continue watching, I'm going to go ahead and share with you some of the items that I've already put together just to give you some inspiration. And especially, like I said, if you're one of those crafters and you're just looking for a little way to earn some extra money, or if you've got little children and you're trying to come up with a quick little project to make that's fun for y'all to do together, or even teacher gifts and little things like that. These are just some ideas that I've used through the years and just wanted to put it out there and hopefully give you some inspiration. But if you like what you see and you would like to continue following me, if you'll go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and also if you'll click on some of those like buttons also, just let me know what you're thinking. And if you've got some projects that you would like for me to go ahead to show you in the future, just give me some comments below. But until next time, see you.